Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today, in this video, I bring some latest collection of beautiful ikebana flower arrangements that people will love to create these sort of decorative arrangements to make their home decorations more unique and beautiful by adding different unique color combinative flower arrangements to make their decorative arrangements more refreshing. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and enjoy creating them. In this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully designed and unique flower decorations of ikebana arrangements that is a Japanese sort of flower arrangements. People will love to create these sort of theme decorations if create a restaurants based on these theme, or you can also create some of the unique ideas that people will love to create these sort of unique and trendy concepts to make their home decorations more pleasant and beautiful by adding it into different ceramic vases and other decorative arrangements. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas to make your home decorations more beautiful by adding different colorful ikebana Japanese floral arrangements to make your decorative arrangements more unique. You can add up some unique and beautiful ideas, whether use different colorful or beautiful flowers that you want to create. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, these are some unique and beautiful ideas that I will bring for you all to make your decorative arrangements, to make your house more beautiful. You can use these decorative arrangements anywhere in your house, wherever you want to create or make the place more unique, beautiful and refreshing. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in the comment section. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring latest ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will like my ideas. Keep sharing my video. Keep supporting me like this. Thank you.